Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see about the software project management. The first topic is project evaluation and project planning. In project evaluation and project planning, so many topics are there. The first one is importance of software project management, activities covered by software project management, methodologies, categorization of software project, setting objectives, management principles, management control, project portfolio management, cost benefit evaluation technology, risk evaluation, strategic program management, stepwise project planning. So now today we are going to discuss about the introduction of software project management, why software project management is important, importance of software project management, characteristics of project, goals of software project management, how software projects different from other projects, what are the difficulties faced by software companies, problem in software projects, contract management. Introduction of software project management. Here, what is project? Project is a planned activity. This is called project. Next, what is project management? The application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to project activities in order to meet project requirements. This is called project management. Next, software project management. What is software project management? The software project management is a sub-discipline of project management in which software projects are planned, monitored and controlled. This is called software project management. Next, we are going to see the importance of software project management. Why software project management is important? Lot of money is spent for ICT projects compared to other projects, for example roadways and railways. Next, not at all projects are always successful due to mismanagement of projects may lead to serious issues in government. Next, main reasons for project failure. First reason is lack of skills. Second one, lack of proven approach to project management. The third one is lack of risk management. Hence, SPM is a must to overcome these shortcomings. Importance of software project management. Software project management comprises of product development techniques and management skills. The product development techniques defines the following aspects. First one is accessing performance. Second one, awareness of the process standards. Third one, defining the product. Fourth one, evaluating alternative processes. Fifth one, managing requirements. Sixth one, managing subcontractors. Seventh one, performing the initial assessment. Eighth one, selecting the methods and tools. Ninth one, tracking product quality. 10th one, understanding development activities. Then, management skill consists of project management and people management skills. Project management skills include building an work breakdown structure, documenting plans, estimating cost and effort, managing risk, monitoring development, scheduling, selecting metrics, selecting project management tools, tracking process and project progress. Then, people management skills are described in perspective with product and project competencies. People management skills include appraising performance, handling intellectual property, holding effective meetings, interaction and communication, leadership, managing change, planning careers, presenting effectively. Last one is recruiting. This is the diagram of people skill in perspective. People having more skill about project and product and technology. So that's all about the importance of software project management. Next we move on to characteristics of software project management. Characteristics of project. Some of the characteristics of project include planning of process is required, clear objectives have to be specified, project must have a predetermined time span, involves different phases of work, resources used on the project are constrained, non-routine tasks are involved. Goals of SPM. First goal is profit. Next, to improve existing product quality. Next, to improve existing product performance. Next, to satisfy a customer. These are some of the goals of the software project management. How software projects differ from other projects. It is invisibility. Progress is immediately not visible. Something made by human beings. Example, bridge construction. Next, progress in software is invisible. Next one, complexity. So complexity is more in software projects. Next one, flexibility. Software is easy to change. Lack of communication between customer and contractor due to different levels of domain knowledge. What are the difficulties faced by software companies? Poor planning and estimation, lack of documentation, lack of commitment from team members, limited technical expertise, commitments of unrealistic delivery dates leading to delivery deadline pressure. Problem in software projects. The problem in software projects come from three different viewpoints. The first one is project manager, second one is developers, third one is customers. Project manager. The problem project managers faces are lack of estimating, planning and decision making skills. Developers. The problem developers faces are lack of knowledge in the application area, lack of knowledge in the development standards, lack of deadline pressures. Customer. The problem customer faces are monetary constraints and receiving products past the due date. Contract management. Contract management is the supervisory role of overseeing the progress of the project as per legal contract. A software contract is a legal document signed by both customer and contractor with following content. First one is deliverables, second one financial commitment, third one resource commitment. Then the client organization will appoint a project manager to supervise the contract. The next one is project manager will be able to delegate many technical oriented decisions to the contractors. The project manager will not be concerned about estimating the effort needed to write individual software components. The overall project is fulfilled within budget on a time. The last one is supplier side project managers are concerned with more technical management issues. Thank you students. I think this section is very useful to you.